Sure.
You
There
know,
we go.
even when you're made in the shade,
Yes, like we are right now.
we are, you gotta protect your skin.
That's always important, and Dan and Tashani are with an expert to help you.
All right, that's right, guys. There are a lot of products out there that are both wearable and waterproof.
Yeah, beauty expert and makeup artist to the stars, Mickey Williams, joining us poolside. Who are some of the celebrities you've been working on?
I've been doing this for about 30 years.
Wow.
So I've worked with everybody way back in the beginning, from J-Lo and just recently with Ed Sheeran. So it's kind of a gamut.
Okay.
So, Tashani, we're in good hands.
I feel that. If she can work with J-Lo, she can certainly work with us,
yeah,
Dan.
for sure.
All right, well, speaking of that, what about us girlies, right? Even though we're going to the pool, we still want to have a made-up face, but we want it to be light and also have SPF in it as well. What do you recommend?
I mean, first of all of the products I'm showing are like built-in skincare, built-in SPF, and then they have like lightweight, super lightweight color, pigment, and texture, okay? First off, if you're going for like the full face or you just want to go ahead and have a glow, I love this product. I mean, it's like award-winning, it's the #1 selling, it's the IT Cosmetics CC+. This is their CC cream that has an SPF 50, okay? And it comes in like amazing, like 22 shades. I love the product so much. I even brought your shade here.
Ooh.
I brought one for you too. I'll give it to you later.
Okay.
But what's so crazy about this product is I want you to see how lightweight it is. It's
'Cause I
like
totally
basically 7 products in one. You have your primer in there, you
Very
have your
velvety,
skincare in there, you have your SPF. What's great about this product, I recommend putting it directly onto your skin. You don't need to layer up your skincare underwear under it because you have,
Make sure you have those on.
all of those basic ingredients right there built in, and it's great for touching up too. I like to touch it up with a brush, but it's just incredible. It's full coverage, but it's super lightweight. I love the product. You got your primer, you got it all.
I can tell.
You hear so much about, people making sure they have that SPF in there, especially these days. But guys these days, those Gen Zers, they like to look good. So maybe I want to put a little something here when I go out that also protects me. And you got something for me too?
I do. I actually have Color Science. This is their Total Eye 3-in-1. This is SPF 35. This isn't just for the boys though.
See, I'm gonna do it myself.
Yes. What this is it's seamless. It has the SPF 35. You just keep on tapping and you build it right into the skin there. This has a built-in eye serum. It has built-in SPF, but it has that really great lightweight pigment that just moves in there. Keep blending.
You look good. Blend it in a little more.
Oh, blended? Okay.
But what's great about this product is it
Not
really
too
just
hard.
goes
Tap, tap,
directly
tap, tap, tap,
into your skin, and it's got that SPF. How important is it to have an SPF product around your eyes?
That's what I was going to ask you. We hear so
Absolutely.
much about people and their concerns about skin cancer and all this other kind of stuff. So I imagine that that's really a focus.
It really, truly is, and I love this because guys love it. A lot of my male clients, I've hooked on it because it is so seamless onto the skin. But I also love them too for my men, for my boys. They have the brush-on powder. We were talking about this earlier.
Yes.
It's great and it's clear. It comes. You'll love their products for guys, but girls love them too.
And it's simple, and it's also great for traveling as well because it fits right in your back pocket or even a little pouch.
It's just the best touch-up tool.
And just real quick, do you also have a spray? You got to protect your scalp.
Absolutely.
When you're out there,
Yes,
we just got a couple
yes.
seconds left.
And even the ladies, because we wear our parts the same side our entire lives.
Yes. This right here is a brush-on scalp spray. I love it. You can just spray right away.
What's
what
it
I love
called?
about this product, this right here is by Sunbum.
Sunbum.
What I
Oh,
love
it's a
about
great
this
brand.
product is it just goes right in. It's great, and it doesn't make your hair super sticky.
One thing we also want to talk about, maybe not for me, but I want to make sure the lips are looking good.
This is for you because it comes in clear too, and I use it on my baby. I love this product. It's by MD Solar Sciences. I picked your color here. This is
Solar
Ruby.
Sciences.
These
Oh,
are
she's
great because
cute.
they have the SPF in there. It's a doctor-driven brand. It's very
Don't you
hydrating.
have to, that's
It
not the
literally
thing?
has jojoba,
Yeah, there you go.
olive oil, shea butter, everything in there, but the most important thing that it has in there is SPF, and it comes in the most gorgeous shades that are buildable. Look at your lips.
I can
have one on
feel
now.
it. Like I feel like my lips are not only do I have a color, but they also feel hydrated as well. And the color is like very pigmented.
You can use it on your cheeks.
Stop
You can
it.
use it on your hands, your cheeks,
A two in
everywhere.
one?
It's everything that you want, and it's literally like clean beauty. Just go for it. It comes in
Perfect.
such great shades.
And this color's ruby.
And yours would be clear.
You want to try the ruby?
Yeah.
One last thing. Mascara. Because every girl needs a little help around the eye area after applying under the eye with that concealer.
This is the perfect waterproof mascara. This is by Beauty Pie. They just launched it in brown. It has this high definition thing. You can sweat in this. I love it. It's Miami proof, okay? It's just beautiful. It stays on. You're going to have to take it off, but what's great about it is it just curls. It keeps the lashes so curled.
Yeah, your
Side
lashes
proof
are
for
great.
sure. Mickey, where can we find you?
You can go to my Instagram at MW Makeup, or you can follow me on YouTube at Mickey Williams Glam.
I feel smarter already.
Already. Beauty expert Mickey, we're so appreciative. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
We'll be right back with more from Somewhere Nowhere NYC and a final check of your weather when Good Day returns.